You are not avoiding work. You're avoiding what your brain predicts the work will do to you.
It's 10 a.m. You know exactly what needs to happen. You have the time, but you can't move. You're not resting. You're not working. You're locked in high-tension paralysis. This isn't a character flaw, and it isn't willpower. Your system is prioritizing mood protection over progress. The moment you look at a task, your brain runs a fast simulation of the effort. If that simulation predicts friction, confusion, overwhelm, frustration, uncertainty, the task is flagged as a threat to your current emotional stability. And once something is tagged as a threat, your system switches objectives, not progress, protection. So it pushes you away from the work. You call it laziness, but your system thinks it's preventing damage. It will always choose immediate emotional relief over distant structural reward. You're not failing to start. You're trapped in a loop where effort is classified as danger. You are trying to start the project. Your brain is trying to keep you safe from the feeling it thinks the project will create.
To break paralysis, you have to stop chasing motivation. Motivation is high-energy fuel, and right now your brain is hoarding it to keep you safe. Instead of forcing your way into the task, you install the safe entry protocol. The goal is not to do the work. The goal is to prove to your threat detector that the work won't hurt you. You shift from output to contact. Think of it like testing freezing water. If you tell your brain you have to dive in and swim, your system locks down. But if you say, I'm putting my toe in for 10 seconds and I'm allowed to walk away, the threat signal drops. Entry becomes safe. The safe entry protocol is simple. You interact with the task for 2 minutes. That's it. You are not allowed to finish anything. You are not allowed to push momentum. You are only allowed to make contact. Open the document, read one paragraph, move one file. When the load is that small, your brain stops trying to protect you. The alarm turns off because there is nothing to survive. You don't need motivation to start. You need starting to feel non-threatening. Once you make contact and nothing collapses emotionally, your brain removes the danger tag. This is where momentum appears. Momentum isn't a feeling you wait for. It's access your system grants once it feels safe enough to run. This patch works because task avoidance is a predicted cost response. Micro-entry resets the prediction.
This stops the immediate misfire. The deeper glitch is structural. Tap the screen to watch the full diagnostic on why your system keeps classifying effort as danger. Drop a comment with one task that currently feels like a threat. Subscribe to stay synced with the network. Stay awake. The system is always running.